It is now 8:50. Me and my friend Wade, we did not sleep at all last night. We stayed up and had some nice best friend bonding. And my dog is whining because she wants out of her cage. But we're leaving soon because I want to go do some stuff, which I will of course record when we do stuff today, which should be interesting because we've not had any sleep, so we should probably gonna be really out of it. But yeah, so stay tuned.
Are you getting bored with me?
What?
Are you getting bored with me?
I have to fart.
No.
I have gas.
Think about it. Shit. Yo, what's up, sexy?
You look,
I guess that's bopping.
you look Asian. Don't burn me.
Don't spit on my hand. Ah, shit.
Did I spit on you?
Kinda.
Good, you Asian freak.
I ain't Asian. I'm Puerto Rican.
You're not Puerto Rican.
Can you tell I'm black? Can you tell I'm black?
Sure. We'll go with that one. Hang on a second.
Dude, what the hell?
She said, hang on a second. I'm tired.
You tired?
Where are you going?
Where who's going?
Do you... What? Oh my god, your hair's gonna eat the camera. Oh my god. I still gotta fart. Ew, Wade.
I'm not kissing it.
That's gross. You let gas.
Whoa, oh my god, that scared the fuck out of me. For taco.
I just think her, like, badge was, like, rubbing against the window, and she was... somebody was driving the car, and she's just like, whoa! You could never hate me. Oh, because I'm taking him to California? I'm sorry. I can't help it. I'm just so beautiful. So beautiful. Don't write anything too profane because my parents will see it. Did I say profane or propane? What?
They know you go by Angel, right?
Who?
Your parents.
Oh, yeah. My mama told me when I was young that we were all superstars. She pulled my hair back, put my makeup on. My back windshield doesn't really work right now. Why are we decorating my car?
For Callie.
Wade was here. Inside. You should. I think you should put on here. Wade's inside me right now. Or Wade was inside me. Oh, that sounds gross. The very nice. I like it. Whoa now, where you going with that? Oh, that was gonna go from something dirty to something really sweet. Loves them bigger than the. And I was like, whoa! Look at those nice jugs. Oh my god. Those are some big jugs. Those are some big round jugs.
Don't write on his car, you dumbass, in the window. Thomas is going through, right?
Yeah.
I just want his name.
T-O-M-A-S.
He's never met me before, but there you go.
What?
I said he's never met me before.
He's a she. I mean, she's a bisexual, trans, something in there. I don't know.
Okay, so what was it born?
She.
She?
Yeah.
Okay.
But she dresses like a dude, but sometimes she dates guys, but right now she wants a girl. And then she talks about being transgendered sometimes. So it's like, I don't know. Bow, 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 bow. I love that we're in front of McClure's and just drawing on my car.
Can I have the blue?
Yeah.
It's okay, Greta. They're just drawing on you.
I'm about to get on Greta.
Oh, she likes that. Ooh.
You know you don't have to write so hard, right?
Yeah.
Ooh, she really likes it. Oh God, you're making her wet. She's seeping oil. Ooh, you are breaking her in.
Where are y'all going in California at?
LA.
Can't remember where Alan said he went. What other colors do you have? Green?
Green.
Ooh, that was sexual.
Right? Like I got excited.
Here's a cap for something.
Here, the green. Because he's a bitch. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do.
Really? That's so weird that you wrote that right there, because that's where I like see you sitting when we travel. Because I know she's gonna want to sit up front. Not that you'll never sit up at front, but
Well, I'm gonna be driving, so.
that's true. Isn't that scary? Where he's gonna drive part of the way.
Yeah, that's really scary.
Not really. I'm a good driver.
Fight
be like
gravity. I'm flying high.
I'm like,
defying gravity.
You quit? I'm turning the car. Let her power in your car, dude.
I don't know.
clarify.
I'm gonna put fun in the sun, you dumb cunt.
Sounds like a Lindsay Lohan movie or something. Fun in the sun.
That's good enough.
Like the pretty cool to Parent Trap, but like gone bad.
Hold on. Leave my windows alone.
Your windows. Police. Police.
That sounded dangerous.
That's not nice. You made her all dirty.
I'm not eavesdropping, I'm just smoking cigarettes.
You're cool. We didn't want you to call the cops on us anyway.
No, I wasn't going to do that.
That's a horrible sign.
Saw some pussy hair that didn't get shaved.
Quit.
Oh, child needs to shave.
Bye, thank you. Babe is here.
Stop moaning. Good lord.
I can't help it.
You like touch my ass and you're like, oh, it's just moist.
Really?
I know, right?
Started.
Wade is right here. Girls, look at this sexy guy inside.
Give me the.
That's what it sounds like when I back up.
Where's the cat to this one, Wade?
What, the blue one?
Yeah, it's right there.